Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new Telegram group using Telegram Desktop. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, click the menu button in the top left corner of the application. From the menu, select the New Group option. Telegram will now show you your contacts. Select the people you want to add to your new group. You can select one or more contacts from your list. After choosing the members, click the Next button to continue. Now, Telegram will ask you to enter a name for your group. Type a name that clearly represents the purpose of your group. You can also add a group profile picture if you want. Choose an image from your computer that you would like to use for the group. After entering the group name and adding a profile picture, click the Create button. Telegram will now create your new group. After a few moments, the group will be ready to use. You can now send messages, share photos, videos, files, and other content with the members of your group. You can also add more members later and manage different group settings according to your needs. Telegram groups are useful for communicating with friends, family, classmates, work teams, and online communities. And that's it. You have successfully created a new Telegram group using Telegram Desktop. Thanks for watching.